STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math, but it's also the way that all of those different curricula inform each other and interrelate with each other.
STEM is the fabric of the world. It is the nature of human endeavor. It's both understanding everything around us and pushing our boundaries to what we can do with that.
We implement STEM at Chadwick in a number of different ways. In the classroom, we implement STEM by trying to make our science, math, and computer science classes actually connected to each other.
So we do a lot of project-based learning within the context of our classes and then outside of our classes as well.
I have a project-based curriculum where from the first or second week of class, the kids are building a video game that we actually took down to the kindergartners and had them play.
The kids all divided in teams and they built these rockets using 2-liter bottles and cardboard. We launched using water pressure. But we actually had them do some coding and some rocket science and figure out how far the rockets went without having a measurement tool by using time as a standard.
They have to tinker and they have to try things and they have to fail at those things sometimes and then bounce back and try something new and try to analyze their work. This is the place to do that. We also reflect that in our core competencies, where we have kids engage in critical and creative thinking and collaboration and communication, because all of those elements are going to feed into all the different disciplines as well.
I don't want you to solve this problem one way. I want you to approach it with all the tools in your toolkit and figure out what's the best and most efficient way for you to solve it.
We want critically minded, healthy, skeptical people out there in the world who aren't going to just fall for whatever they're told. That's what we're trying to develop here at Chadwick.
As technology is ever changing, what are the skills that we're going to need as we move forward?
A child is the best scientist there is. By learning by doing, you're actually bringing out your inner scientist.
These little kids are very playful, they're very curious. When you set something in front of them, they want to touch it, they want to know what it does and how to manipulate it. And you can utilize that to teach them a lot of different things.
I think you inspire them. I think you have to be excited about it. I think you have to trust them to do the work. You lead them. The effects of that happening is that discovery part. And they're excited about science now because of STEM.